Refraction of light. Here we are going to study about the laws of refraction. Here we have drawn a light ray that is refracting. Here we have the first medium. Here we have the second medium. This is the incident ray. At the surface of separation, it bends. This is the refracted ray. Angle between incident ray and the normal is called angle of incidence. And the angle between refracted ray and normal is called the angle of refraction. This is the medium 1. It has refractive index N1, and this is the medium 2, and it has refractive index N2. Refractive index is a measure of how a wave bends in a medium, or what's the velocity of wave in a medium, or how a wave behave in a medium. It depends on the refractive index of the medium. So according to law of refraction, the incident ray, refracted ray, and normal at the point of incidence, these three lie in the same plane. This is the first law of refraction. According to second law of refraction, the sign of angle of incidence, the sign of angle of refraction is called the constant, and it is called refractive index of second medium with respect to first. So sin A by sin R equal to a constant is called the refractive index of second medium with respect to first, or N21. We can write sin A by sin R equal to N2 by N1. That is refractive index of second medium by refractive index of first medium. This is called Snell's law. The first medium air, we can write N1 is equal to 1 and N2 is equal to N. Now we have sin A by sin R is equal to N instead of N2 and 1 instead of N1. So sin A by sin R is equal to N by 1, or N is equal to sin A by sin R. Refractive index is the characteristic property of a medium which depends on the nature and color and the wavelength of light passing through the medium. Refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. So we can write N is equal to C by V. N21, that is refractive index of second medium with respect to first, we can write N2 by N1. Here we can write N2 is equal to C by V2 and N1 C by V1. So we get N21 equal to V1 by V2, or N21 is equal to V1 by V2. Refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3 by 2 and water with respect to air is 4 by 3. What's the refractive index of glass with respect to water? So we have refractive index of glass with respect to air, that is equal to Nga equal to 3 by 2 and Nwa equal to 4 by 3. And we have to find the refractive index of glass with respect to water, that is Ngw. This is equal to Nga by Nwa, that is 3 by 2 by 4 by 3, or 9 by 8. Refractive index of glass is 1.5. Find the velocity of light in glass. So we have N is equal to 1.5 and velocity of light in air is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. We have N is equal to C by V. So N is equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 by 1.2 equal to 2 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second.